Is this thing recording? Is this thing on? All right, I'm assuming it's recording. So, no, here we are recording. Okay, so as you've probably astutely discerned, we are going to learn how to add a spawn. Where is my spawn? I lost my spawn. You may hear yourself exclaim. Well, let's go to the Explorer. We'll go to the filter thing here and type in spawn. Oh, there's the spawn. And let's hit F to find it. I turned my spawn into a cylinder in the previous video by accident. Well, let's just delete it. Oh no, you may hear yourself cry. I don't have a spawn anymore. Where will I begin? That is a great question. So before we answer that one, let's just, I'll leave that one as homework. Where do you begin with no spawn? I think you begin at 0, 0, 0. So let's go up into our model menu and say, there's a little button that says spawn. I know what you're thinking. I could have made this video myself. Boom. But I had this problem. When I started out, I didn't know where the spawn was. So there we go. There's a spawn. I know what you're thinking. Well, what if I just make 2 spawns? Let's Command D, duplicate this thing, drag it over here, and now we have 2 spawns. So if you have 2 spawns, it's going to randomly spawn you on one of them. So you can put one of them over here for whatever nefarious reason. And yeah, one of them over here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.